Alright, so let's take a look at the stoner rock tempo zone. We're going to put the metronome on 75 beats per minute and just take a simple little power chord riff here that involves the open E power chord and the G power chord. And we're going to play on each beat. And this is more than a riff, it's just to get the feel of where we're at in this tempo zone. One, two, three, four. Okay, now for the sake of feel, we're going to move up to 120 beats per minute, which is what we're considering the classic rock tempo zone, using the same riff. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's take the metronome up to 175 beats per minute, entering the punk rock tempo zone. Notice how the riff changes, though it's the same riff, because of the tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so those are just quick examples of the tempo shifts between stoner rock zone, the classic rock zone, and the punk rock zone. Becoming a true rock rhythm guitar player, you always want to stay aware of what zone you're in, what tempo you're playing. Maybe sometimes you don't know exactly, you're playing with the band, you're playing along with something, but you know the zone that you're in because you want to think in rhythm. And again, you want to become addicted to that metronome. Use it all the time. It's going to clean up your playing. It's going to keep your playing consistent, and it's going to keep your tone strong so you can rock hard.